Hi everyone, we're here at Marvel Stadium. For the 5th and final round of the Australian Supercross Series and the 2nd and final round of the YZ65 Cup for 2024. We've got 22 riders here to have an awesome day, a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. We've got the factory team upstairs in the concourse area. We've got our gazebos, we've got our bags, we've got everything here for these kids to have an awesome day. We're about to do a practice session shortly, followed by a star Yamaha racing rider, Cooper Webb, meet and greet for these riders. The great thing about the practice session is it lets the kids understand the track in these tricky conditions of a supercross environment, calm the nerves, and that way tonight at the race, they're all sweet and they can have some fun.
How do you think the track looks at the moment?
Real tacky, nice. Hopefully I can get some doubles, and consistency is key for this sort of track.
I think with the little bikes and stuff, I think the more you can double and get a bit of a flow would be definitely faster and a little bit better.
Yamaha made the trip really easy, mate. They had a bike sitting here ready for us to use, all the mechanical help and everything we need. Flights, accommodation was all sorted. Yeah, unreal experience.
Long trip over, but Yamaha made it really easy, so very glad to have this opportunity.
The track's looking mint and we're going to have fun.
The kids got to ask Cooper Webb some questions about his riding, about what his training regime is, and he gave them some really good answers, and hopefully they got a bit of insight from that. Kids then also got Cooper Webb front number plate, and Cooper signed all of them. That was a really good experience for the kids, and they'll probably treasure that forever.
We've also got individual posters for them to sign just so they can be like a factory rider for the day. And at the end of the night, we've got the race. As fans flood into the stadium, riders begin to get ready.
Pretty cool to be part of the Blue Crew as well, like the support and the family that they sort of bring.
Such an experience. I've met some of their heroes already. Their eyes were as big as pancake, and yeah, he just can't wait to get out there and give it a go.
Now this race isn't just about a race. It doesn't matter whether you finish first or last. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to be part of the Blue Crew and the YZ65 Cup. We're all here for grassroots racing.
My other son, Davey, he now races in the 85s, but he started in the 65s. He did the Pro MX and then the Supercross all the way from 7 years old. He's now 14 years old. Incredible experience, absolutely loved every moment of it. He's won these events and now he's going on to, he's won a few Pro MX events and now he's going on to Supercross to try and win some of them.
To see them out here and race, see their different techniques, it's awesome. The AUSX Open is really good, but we need more of them really in Australia to bring the Australian riders up to a greater level so we don't lose them.
So we've had an awesome time here today at Marvel Stadium. The race is done. We're done for 2024. It's been great. The kids have had an awesome time and we can't wait to see you again in 2025.